Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Celebrity happy updates from the Philippines. Michelle D. stuns in black ensemble at the Miss Filipinas International 2023 in Beverly Hills, California on Saturday, August 5th. Miss International 2016 winner Kylie enjoyed the lovely sun in St. Tropez on her vacation. Miss Universe 2015 winner Pia Wurtzbach joined Miss Universe Philippines 2023 first and second runner-up Christine Opiaza and Angelique Manto at the Art Impact for Health Philippines with Smile Train. Thanks for watching and watch out for more interesting videos from around the world.